to the history now, but not today because the data center is not open for anyone. So maybe next time. And this is the longest crystal in the world. It's around 1,000 miles. Takes 4 days and 3 nights to finish the whole thing. Okay, everyone, look at your left hand side. Look at welcoming us. This is Mother Elephant and Baby Elephant. Mother is teaching her baby how to use his trunk. Very, very cute little baby. Oh no, the other elephant. This is Brother Elephant. You can see so many wrinkles on his body. You can see the showers. Oh no, we have to be careful of this one. This is Father Elephant. He is very, very naughty. Look to spread on our food. Oh, careful, careful. Oh no, I don't want to get wet again. Okay, wait now. Oh, this is an ancient temple. Can you see the giant spider right there? So we have 4 giant spiders. 1, 2, 3. Okay, where is the number 4? Oh, right here. The number 4 is right here. They can jump 20 feet away. One spider can jump 20 feet away. And this temple belongs to the elephant god. The elephant god represents wisdom and intelligence. You can also see King Cobra. King Cobra. They are the guardians of the elephant god. They protect the elephant god very, very, very well. Oh no! Crocodiles! Crocodiles! We have 11 crocodiles here. 3 on your left and 8 on your right. They are all well trained for you to take pictures. You can take picture of them. They won't fight. They won't run. They are quite gentle, honestly. Okay, this is Professor Porter and his daughter Jane's campsite. Oh no, but looks like they didn't lock the door very well. Oh, the gorillas are having fun right here. Okay, let's get over here Wow, this is my favorite place, the African Zoo. We can see so many wild animals here. We can see zebras and giraffes, and this one is African elephant. Hello, African elephant. Okay, what's behind you? Okay, what is under the water? Can you see that? Hippo! Hippo! Stay away from your ears. Oh, look at them. Wow. So big and so smelly. They look like to brush their teeth. Can you see the safaris right there? They are 2 species of hippos. They jump out of the boat and they might come back anymore. The rhino and hyenas are waiting for them. Poor safari. So many spells here. This is the temple of Edmonton. We are entering their territory. And we have to be very careful.